Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. 2 days ago I installed the Brave internet browser, and soon after I found out that it have a reward system, and I decided to make animation in Fusion exactly the same as this picture. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. My here is in logo, and drag and drop logo design number 8, Brave Rewards. And group, move this out of the way, arrange tools to the grid, line up all tools to the grid, connect to the media out, and you will get the animation. Everything is animated. Now if you want to get 16:9, you can change the size here, but this will mess up a little bit this background. So all you have to do is make another merge here, connect just like this, and take another background, and background connect here, Control T to swap, and now you have 16:9, 1920 1080. Or here you can change the resolution by unchecking auto resolution. Now as you can see, it's not very big, just a few simple notes. The text here is connected to the blur. You can disable to make it sharper or make it smoother a little bit, and everything go inside the shadow. Shadow is blinking. This one, it will start from here to here for the black, and this one for the white glow, the shadow underneath the elements. And this is for the triangle 1 2 3 4. The bottom one is the white, and then these three. Animation is done here in this merge. As you can see, when they're moving like this, and rotation is done here, and movement. And after here 350, you will get a text Brave Rewards. In this text you can change the font, you can change the text if you wish, and basically that's it. It's quite simple. Now just to let you know that I have activated Brave Rewards. You can support my channel by donating few BAT, and also to support my channel you can like, share and subscribe. If you have some ideas or questions, you can ask me under the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.